In this tutorial we will talk about another logical function of Excel, that is switch. Suppose I want to fill up this remarks column based on these grades. For grade A I want to write here excellent, for grade B I want to write here good, for grade C I want to write here average, and for any other grade I want to write here fail. So what I can do, I can use an alternate logical function. I can use if, but I'll use here switch. The first argument is expression. Expression is nothing but the values that we need to compare. In this case I want to compare the grades, so I'll add grades in place of expression, comma, value 1. I'll take A as value 1, comma. Third argument, result 1. Now this formula is asking what should I do if I found A. So I will tell this formula you need to write here excellent, comma, value 2. I'll take B as value 2, comma. Now this formula is again asking me what should I do if I found B in this column. So I will tell this formula you need to write good in next column if you found B in previous column, comma. Third value would be C. Again this formula is asking me a question that what should I do if I found C. So I will tell this formula you need to write here average if found C in previous column. So I will end here. Suppose we have D, E, F or any other grade. In that particular scenario I would want to write here fail. So I will give fail as default value in quotes and close the bracket. Done. Let's try to apply it like this. So you see, for A it's showing excellent, for B it's showing good, for C it's showing average, and for any other value like D, F, it's showing fail. So this was switch, an alternate logical function. In case you like the video, kindly share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye for now.